Know who to call. I mean, it's just to get to a point you don't know what to do. Just sit down and wait for it to stop.
A local dairy farm was hit hard by flash flooding last month, and the family has been working to get their business back up and running. News 4's Dave Graber shows us the progress they've made from the town of Bennington.
The Mezydlos had these massive pipes installed under their driveway, which washed away on July 13th in catastrophic flash flooding. Certainly these pipes and all of the other work that was required to clean up from the damage doesn't come cheap. And so the Mezydlos are holding out hope that the state or someone can help make them whole. This is the first time these milk tanks have been hooked up to trucks in more than 3 weeks. Flash flooding took out the driveway to the Mezydlos organic dairy farm. They've lost about $100,000 in product, cleanup, and fixes since then, with little financial help in sight. Senator Patrick Gallivan penned a letter to the governor last week saying, quote, in many cases, repair costs will exceed municipal budgets for road repair. He says dozens of homes and businesses were flooded, some reporting 2 to 6 feet of water inside their buildings. The Mezydlos have been working for years to get some help to prevent the next flood that may sink their business for good. But the requests go beyond just their property.
We definitely could use a little help. I mean, this would prevent them from fixing that road over there, because the water from here ended up wrecking that road there. It's actually kind of a win situation for the county, the town, and us too, hopefully.
With the first of what they hope will be many pickups of their organic milk earlier today, the Mezydlos now consider themselves up and running. But they have a lot of work to do. In fact, they're more than 3 weeks behind at this farm. That's work they say they'll now finally be able to get to. And they'll keep an eye to the sky, hoping to avoid the next flood. Reporting in the town of Bennington, Dave Graber, News 4 at 6.